Richie Ruckus Beats.
On YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Thursday, December 27th. I hope everybody had a safe and happy holiday. And I got a brand new sneaker unboxing. We're going to do the unboxing review and the on foot. But before we dive into the sneakers, I do want to go over some Christmas presents that Nyasia gave me for Christmas, as well as some gifts that were sent over from some friends. First off, we got two brand new beard oils from the homies over at Dapper Bear Beard. We got the Kentucky Bourbon Beard Oil and we got the Flannel Beard Oil. Once again, shout out to the homies for sending these care packages over to me. If you got a full, luxurious, delicious beard like myself, you know you gotta keep it. You gotta keep it right. You gotta moisturize. You gotta use pomade. You gotta use beard wash. And last but not least, you gotta hit it with that beard oil. On top of the beard oil, my brother, Midwest native, I'm rocking his new camo hoodie. I got the blue camo, Nyasia got the green one. The laces, just everything about this is fire. The laces are like really long friendship bracelets. But I think that's it as far as gifts that were sent over from some friends. I also want to go over these gifts from Nyasia that she gave me for Christmas real fast. First, we got a new camera, y'all. If you're into photography or vlogging, you know the Canon's Rebel T6 is a boss move. She got it. She got quite the sale on Amazon. It came with a bunch of stuff. We got some new lenses. We got a ton of memory cards. We got a new tripod, just a bunch of stuff. If you're in the market for a new camera, I know Target and Walmart, they run like crazy promos and crazy discounts on their cameras. But Amazon is definitely the place to go. You can get bundles of stuff for the same price, or if not cheaper, than what Target is listing their cameras at. So when you see cameras on sale at Target, make sure you hit up Amazon first, because you might be able to get that same camera in a bundle for cheaper or at the same price. She also hooked your boy up with a brand new MacBook Air. And, you know, when my YouTube channel started, I started vlogging with Nyasia's camera. I started editing with Nyasia's MacBook. And then it was like, her stuff just kind of got repoed by me. So, you know, she made sure she could have her parcels back. So she got me a new camera and she got me a new MacBook to do all my editing. It's funny because I rock nothing but iPad, iPhone. I don't do the Galaxy. I don't do the Samsung. I don't do the, you know, the non-Apple tablets. I'm all Team iOS, but my laptop that I use for personal use is a Toshiba, and I've always been a Windows guy. But once I started doing YouTube and started editing my videos myself and, you know, using her MacBook, I barely touch my Toshiba anymore, and I'm more Team Apple and Team Mac as far as it goes with my laptop. The best gift that she got me is the last one, and I'll just grab it. She got me this awesome fluorescent, old school, like bar light of the YouTube symbol, and I don't have it plugged in right now, obviously. I'll throw in a clip of it in the video, but it was just so dope that she got that for me. She also got me a brand new desk to sit down, do all my editing, stuff like that. So shout outs to her. You know, girlfriends, they are the backbone of every good man. So shout outs to Nay. I appreciate everything she does for me and everything she does to, you know, with the channel and with my crazy life that I try to keep up with. But that's it. So they were my Christmas gifts from Nay. They were the gifts that were sent over from some friends. And we know why you're here. And you know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Yeezy 350 V2 in that static colorway. I am going to make a hot take. These are my favorite V2, period. I'm rocking my semi-frozen yellows right now. And you know that your boy waited and waited and waited on them. And I know the 350 V2 hype is dead. And I haven't really subscribed to that thought process yet. Everybody's saying that the Yeezy 350 V2 is dead and the Sock Lake sneaker is dead and all of that stuff. But this sneaker is fire. And I know these were a lot easier to get than, say, earlier V2s and earlier V1s. But this sneaker is bananas. You could have slept in a little bit today and still got these. I won them at a raffle. I was able to go pick them up today, as well as another pair of sneakers that we're going to unbox in tomorrow's video. And I'm not sure which sneaker I'm more excited for. I haven't really looked at the other pair. I've kind of been focused on these because I know these were going to be today's video. You got that see-through stripe, the static pattern throughout the whole upper. You have that icy midsole followed up with the icy bottom. You got a white insole with the Adidas and Yeezy branding in black. Per usual, I would recommend doing a half size up or true to size. Do not by any means size down, not even in the slightest, as the V2 is a very snug sneaker, and even going down a half size, you are asking for trouble. And if for some reason they do feel a little bit snug, you can always take out the insole and rock them without it. I do it on most Yeezys. I know the semi-frozen yellow on Adidas' website, because that's where I got an A. No, I got an A from Yeezy Supply. On Yeezy Supply's website, it straight up said that they run small and you should go up a half size. But I got true to size, and I haven't taken the insoles out of these yet. The pair that really bothered me the most that I had to take the insole out of was the blue tints. Them and the belugas, they were very, very tight. And I have a wide foot. I have a very fat foot. I'm at 8.5 traditionally. I went at 8.5 in these. So I do recommend going true to size or sizing up a half size. But I think that's it. I think I wasted enough of your guys' time. We hit the Christmas presents. We hit the swag sent over from the homies. I think it's time to throw these on foot. And leave comments down below. Let me know if I'm crazy. Are these the best V2 to drop to date? And are these the best Yeezy of 2018? We're going to go do these on foot. I will be back tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Richie Ruckus Beats.